We'll guide you through how to save your project in CapCut. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop. Make sure you've finished editing your video and you're ready to save it. Look for the e-export button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will open up the export settings. Here, you can choose the resolution of your video. Higher resolutions like 1080p or 4K will provide better quality, but keep in mind they also take up more space on your device. You can also adjust the frame rate, with 30 frames per second being standard for most projects. Once you've set your desired quality, you can select the location on your computer where you want to save the video. Click on e-export, and CapCut will start processing your video. This might take a few minutes depending on the length and quality settings you've chosen. Once it's done, a notification will pop up letting you know the export is complete, and you'll be able to find your saved video in the location you specified. Before closing CapCut, it's a good idea to save your project file as well. This way, you can easily make future edits if needed. Go to File, then click on Save As, and choose a name and location for your project file. This ensures all your edits and settings are preserved. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.